Look at all this traffic. This isn't just regular traffic. This MegaCon traffic. Had to quickly switch lanes there. Now, we will not be attending MegaCon today. We were there yesterday. Saw the Back to the Future panel. That's not today's subject matter. But I had to drive by because I was curious. I wanted to see the traffic. Sometimes my curiosity gets the best of me. That was silly just to sit in this traffic just because I wanted to drive by. We will be attending tomorrow, though. So look forward to that. MegaCon tomorrow. Today's subject matter is this way. Is going to be epic, you could say. Right there, Universal Studios. Epic Universe. Epic Boulevard. To my right over there, we're gonna find a spot to park. Why, hello there, and welcome to Universal Epic Universe, the Universal Studios new theme park scheduled to be open 2025, summer of next year. Behind me, the Stella Nova Resort. This is gonna be cool. You know, I didn't like the name Epic Universe at first, but they made some announcements and it's growing on me. Epic Universe. It's gonna be good. But yeah, it's right back here. Epic Universe. Currently standing on the corner of Cresting Place and Universal Boulevard. Back there is the Vista K Resort. We stayed there in an Airbnb previously, not this trip. You can see the Orlando Eye back in the background. We have one Universal Tower and then another Universal Hotel Tower. As mentioned before, that is the Stella Nova Resort. Now, Epic Universe lies right beyond those buildings. From here, can't get much of a view, but I have acquired some epic footage. This plot of land that will become Epic Universe, located a few miles southeast from the Universal Orlando Resort. It is a larger 750-acre site on the south side of Sand Lake Road and east of Universal Boulevard. The park is going to feature a hub and spoke format consisting of 4 themed lands branching off of the central hub. Celestial Park, the main hub of the park, is going to feature a garden design full of astrology and astronomic equipment. It will feature 2 rides, a carousel, and Starfall Racers, a dueling roller coaster. How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk. Several attractions including a roller coaster, a Skyflyer, a boat ride, and a stage show. Super Nintendo World will be themed to various Nintendo-owned franchises, primary focus being Mario. We'll have a Warp Pipe, it'll have Mario Kart, Augmented Reality Ride, Yoshi's Adventure, and a Donkey Kong roller coaster. Dark Universe featuring Universal Monsters. We'll have Monsters Unchained, the Frankenstein Equipment, a dark ride, one of my personal favorites, dark rides, love them, and Curse of the Werewolf, a spinning roller coaster. And of course, what is a Universal Park without the Wizarding World of Harry Potter? The Ministry of Magic. It's going to feature a dark ride and a stage show. Even though the park is not finished and complete yet, there is already rumors of possible expansion, including Creature of the Black Lagoon to Dark Universe, and Luigi's Mansion to Super Nintendo World. And that's it. That was pretty epic. Epic Universe, Universal Studios. I can't wait. It's gonna be a very, very good time. It's gonna be fun. So a little over a year, about a year and a half, we should be in there. I'm excited. I'm excited. New theme park. New Universal Studios theme park. Right there. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, travel videos, and random things from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.